Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You see that we got a guest today, and she's the founder of the Whipzi sugar, Angela. Hello. Angela, can you tell us that there is so many sugar here? Everything looks so delicious. How you come up with all this idea?
So the funny thing is I actually am not a baker, but during COVID, when the kids were sent home from school, I had to figure out what am I going to do with the kids to keep them occupied. So like a lot of parents, we started baking. We started with bread, but you couldn't find yeast in the stores. So we joined a lot of social media groups, Facebook, Instagram, and we started baking cakes and cookies. And they actually turned out really good to the point where a lot of our family friends, coworkers said, "Hey, can you bake a cake for us? Can you bake some cookies for us?" And the kids really enjoyed it. However, one of the problems we had when we were baking the cakes and the cookies is the consistent flavors, colors. Sometimes adding liquid flavorings to our baked goods would deflate the meringue. It would ruin our buttercream. So I thought there has to be an easier way to flavor your baked goods. And I came up with flavored powdered sugars. I said to my friend who's in the baking industry, "What do you think about flavoring the powdered sugar?" And she said, "I think that is an amazing idea." So fast forward 2 years later, 2 years of testing, tasting, having my baking friends test it also, we came out with 5 signature flavors. Our 5 signature flavors are chocolate, vanilla, lemon, orange, and strawberry. And we got such an overwhelming response, we brought out some limited edition flavors, such as lavender and mango. And then during the fall last year, we brought out salted caramel, pumpkin spice, and Christmas, we brought out eggnog, gingerbread, and peppermint. And we've had overwhelming good response. They're all naturally flavored. And
Gluten-free.
yes, gluten-free, all natural, vegan friendly, and we use only natural flavorings, some plant-based ingredients, beet powder for our colors. So we wanted something that was all natural, and the flavors and the colors are very subtle, but they're very good.
Can you give us some idea that what can I add those sugar in?
So there is a lot of things you can use powdered sugar for. Buttercreams, frostings, glazes, meringues, macarons. You can put them in your coffee whips. That was really popular last year. Yep. You can actually make simple syrups for your cocktails and mocktails and cake glazes. So you can, whatever you use powdered sugar for, you can use this powdered sugar as a one-to-one replacement. Your flavor and color is already in there. So you're basically taking 3 products and using one.
Wow. As you can see, some of the bag already opened because I can't wait for her to come. So I start opening and tasting. Everything tastes true to the flavor. I mean, that's amazing.
Yes, yes.
And like a strawberry or mango, I can see that if you like margarita in a hot summer day like this, instead of the salt, you can actually use this powdered sugar, do the ring on your margarita.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
We did that the other day. We had mango martinis and we rimmed the glass with the mango powdered sugar just to give it that little special touch.
That sounds so awesome. So I'm so lucky that I get to taste all this. How about our viewer? If they want to go get those sugar, where can they get it?
So right now we sell directly online on our website, which is www.whipzi.com. And you can purchase all of our flavors on our website.
Wow. And just curiosity, how much does a bag like this cost?
It's $5.99.
No way.
For
That's
a
a
1 pound
steal.
bag. Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes. Yep.
Wow. I don't know what you're waiting for. This is $5.99 for, I mean, regular sugar is already this price.
Yes.
Wow. You guys better get it before she get big.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, all right. So thank you for spending time with us. And I see that you bring some dessert today. So maybe we can see how you use those powdered sugar on your dessert today.
Yes, that would be great. Yep.
Awesome.
Yep,
Let's
you get
see.
to taste the cupcakes.
All right. Time for dessert. Let's go.
desserts. I actually made mini cupcakes because those are so good for a sampler, so you can get to try all the different flavors without feeling like you've overindulged with a big cupcake. And mango is actually turning into one of my favorite flavors. I love mango. It's a really nice summery. It's a really nice summery flavor. You can just put a little sprinkle on just to get that little extra mouthful of mango taste in there, because who doesn't love extra mango? Right now we sell directly online on our website, which is www.whipzi.com, and you can purchase all of our flavors on our website.